Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I'm going to talk to you today about a great product that I've talked to you about before, but it's got so many other things that you can do with it that I've not ever told you before, so I'm exposing new secrets for this product. It's the JoElla Milan Capsule Youth Water, and I love this stuff. It's the most greatest anti-aging product that you can use. And I suggest use it along with your other products too. You can use it alone or you can use it with your other products. Either way, it works wonderful. As far as the anti-aging, you want to use it twice a day. It comes in 4 sizes, 2 ounce, 4 ounce, 8 ounce, and 16 ounce. So anyway, you want to spray it on your face and just really rub it in, especially around the eyes. Rub it in because it'll get rid of those crepey eyelids there. It's so firming and toning and hydrating and healing and calming. It's a wonderful product. I use it, like I said, twice a day, in the morning and the night. If I do nothing else, I use this. Some nights when you're too lazy to do your face, clean your face, just clean your face off and put this on and rub it in and go to bed. And on the neck too. It just makes such a big difference. And I had a letter from one of my good clients that I've had for a long time. She loves this product, and she used this on, which I've done a video on it before. I know I've done something on my blog on it, but short story for that, she had a dog that had another dog attacked it and had a huge gash on its side, and she ended up using this on it, and it was amazing how it healed and no scars or anything, so there was no inflammation. That's the main thing, no inflammation, kills the bacteria, and it's hydrating. So that's an amazing thing. But I just heard from her again, and her this same dog, which was he was there to take care of her, more or less. Well, we'll say, I don't know what you call that word. I can't think of it at the minute. But anyway, her dog passed away, and she had his picture tattooed on her arm, which I thought was such a lovely thing. So after she had it tattooed, she used the JoElla Milan Capsule Youth Water on it. And when she went back, her the person that did the tattoo, several days later, could not believe how fast it healed and how great it looked. And I thought, with me, I never think about tattoos, but to see that, I was so excited. It just looked great, just healed so nice. So that's one of my new things that I want to talk to you about, because it's a spray, so you don't have to touch it. You could spray it on, and it's antibacterial. There's silver in it because it's all ions: gold, silver, copper, magnesium, platinum, zinc. And when you spray it on, it kills the bacteria, but it hydrates it, and it's very calming. And I've used this on other places. I'll just put it this way: anytime you feel real sensitive in a certain area, I put this on, because I find it extremely healing. I've used this since 2014, so I know that it works. I know how it works. I know it's just an amazing product. But I wanted to share that with you today, because I know that opens the door for a lot of people out there that do have tattoos. And you can, if you want to get it small, you could just get the 2 ounce size, or you could get the 4 ounce size. You don't need to get the 8 ounce or the 16 ounce. And these are just enough to spray it on after you have it done, and for the next few days until you do see it heal. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm so happy when someone shares with me what a product does for them. Because I keep it mostly, when I talk about it, to just the anti-aging videos and the remarkable toning that it does on the face, firming and toning, hydrating again, and getting rid of the crepey eyes. It's a remarkable product. So if you have any questions, call me on my toll-free number, or you can send me an email, and I've got the link below. that'll take you to the page that you could see. And I'm really happy to help you, and I look forward to talking to you. Thank you. Bye.